Today we celebrate someone truly special. So let us begin with a story. Once upon a time, in a family of 3 siblings, there was the youngest, Trina, a tiny girl with bright eyes, overflowing charm, and a spark that everyone noticed. She was cute, curious, and undeniably smart. In her primary and secondary school years, she became known as a consistent achiever, always excelling in whatever she set her mind to. But academics weren't her only crown, because yes, somewhere in between trophies and medals was also a beauty queen in the making, a perfect mix of beauty and brains. Yet what truly defined her wasn't the recognition she received, but the heart and determination she carried. College came, and she pushed herself even further. There was a time life tested her, a health challenge that forced her to pause her studies. But like the fighter she is, she came back stronger, finished with flying colors, and proved once again that setbacks can't stop someone who's destined to rise. She pursued speech pathology, where she helped little voices grow stronger and guided families with compassion. She worked in several clinics, tirelessly going back and forth between Manila and Batayan to be present for every child/patient who needed her. And then came one of her biggest milestones, Bridging Potentials, her very own therapy center, born from passion, purpose, and faith. Through the years, Bridging Potentials has grown its team, expanded its reach, and touched the lives of countless kids, parents, and guardians. From one woman's dream came a community of therapists, SPED teachers, and professionals, all working together to make children's lives better, brighter, and more hopeful. For the longest time, her world revolved around achieving, from academics to building a team, to transforming lives through therapy, to keeping a handful of true and trusted friends. Everything seemed beautifully aligned. Her story already looked complete. And yet, God had even more in store, because one day, she met someone. Slowly, gently, steadily, love entered the picture. Who would have thought that the girl who grew up collecting achievements would one day collect a heart that chose her just as deeply? And now, the once little girl, the achiever, the beauty, the healer, the dreamer, and doer, is taking the next beautiful step of her life. She is soon to walk down the aisle toward her soon-to-be forever partner, her teammate, her safe place, her love written in God's perfect timing, her partner in life, her partner in rhyme, her partner for all seasons and all time. From childhood to adulthood, and now stepping into a new chapter of womanhood, we are grateful and honored to be with you on this journey. We wish you joy not only in your marriage, not only in the family you will build, but in every new path life leads you to. We love you, and we will always wish you the very best. And now, here are some heartfelt greetings from the people who have been part of your life, from your elementary friends, high school and college friends, past and present colleagues, beloved family and treasured friends.
Hi, Trin. Sa aking kaklase, sa aking kinakapatid, sa aking kaibigan, sa aking kalaro. This is it na. Finally, dumating na si Mr. Right for you. I'm so happy for you. Happy kami para sa inyo. Always put God first at the center of your relationship. God's timing is always perfect. Diba? Ang tagal mong hinintay. Finally, kahit gaano ka-traffic, dumating din siya for you. So, yun lang. Lagi magmamahalan, mag-iintindihan, and respect each other. Congrats to both of you, and God bless. Bye.
Hi, Diane! Kumusta? I'm so happy for you. You deserve all the happiness and love, love, love. Oh my God. Basta ano ko masabi, super, super happy ako sa'yo. Congratulations and best wishes. And congratulations sa inyo. I'm very lucky to you sa inyo. Hope to see you and meet you soon. I miss you.
Hello, Diane. First of all, congratulations on your engagement. You have achieved so much already, and it's truly your time to settle down and embrace this beautiful new chapter with your future husband by your side. I hope and pray that your marriage will be filled with love and endless blessings. And also, I'm wishing you both a lifetime of love and beautiful memories together. And who knows, we might soon meet little Trina and little Ken. And I truly appreciate that Ate Thea reached out and shared the wonderful news about your engagement. Diane, I am so happy for you and excited for what is ahead. Congratulations again and wishing you both a blessed and beautiful journey together.
Hi Diane! Eric to, classmate mo nung high school. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding. I'm so happy for you and for the lucky soon-to-be husband. So, enjoy the party and welcome to the club. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi Diane, so I heard kakasal ka na daw. Best wishes and see you soon.
Yan, Diane Trina Bugay, congratulations sa nalalapit mong kasal. I wish you all the best. May God bless you always at may you have a happy married life. At ang ma-advise ko lang sa inyo ng husband mo ay huwag mawawala sa pagsasama nyo si Jesus. Make Him the center of your marriage. At syempre, sa pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, sana laging nandun yung trust, love, and respect. Muli, congratulations at happy ako at natagpuan mo na ang man of your life na siyang pinadala ni God para sa iyo upang makasama mo until you grow old. At sana magkaroon kayo ng mga magaganda at mababait na supling. At ganun din, maging matagumpay ang pagsasama niyo hanggang sa kayo ay tumanda. Congratulations and God bless you.
Congratulations, Sinang Dia.
Same. Say congratulations, Nina. Enjoy. Congratulations. Sabi mo, best wishes.
Hi, Diane. I'm sorry I can't be there. Diane and Kevin, I pray that you will enjoy your wedding. You will stay fully present and enjoy your wedding, enjoy celebrating with loved ones. And most importantly, Diane and Kevin, I pray that you will experience true joy in your marriage. I pray that you will find the joy both in the big and little things over the years, that you will find joy in both the good and bad times. I love you guys and congratulations.
Congratulations po, Teacher Tina, on your upcoming wedding. I'm so happy po para sa inyo in this beautiful new chapter of your life. And I wish you and your partner a lifetime of love, joy, and hope.
Hi, Teacher Tina. This is your Playschool teachers. And we wanted to say congratulations and best wishes to your upcoming wedding po.
Hello, teacher. Congrats po, Teach, and have a wonderful journey as you build your new life together with your mapapangasawa, Teach. Sana all kakasal, Teach.
What did you say?
What do you say?
You say teacher? And you say nang-nang?
Nang-nang.
Best wishes.
What teachers? What teachers?
Hi, Trin. First of all, I want to say congratulations, advance congratulations and best wishes on your upcoming wedding. Finally, ikakasal ka na din. And I'm so happy na you found the man of your dreams after so many years. I am sincerely happy for you. Syempre na-witness ko yung mga time na before na wala ka pang jowa. Ayan. So, always remember, syempre, to put God first and put God in the center of your relationship. Yun, syempre, marriage is not so easy all the time. So, just put the Lord in everything that you do, and everything will follow. So again, I'm excited for you on your new journey in life, and I wish you all the best. God bless, Drin. Love you.
Hi, Bunso. Bunso pa rin naman kita kahit na malapit ka na mag-asawa. Soon. You're getting married soon. It was your first step to build your future together. Alalahanin mo, dalawa kayo magkaibang tao, magiging isa at maninirahan sa isang bahay. Expect for thrills, happiness, and endless laughter as you enjoy your first week, months, years of being in one place. Pero dadating ang araw, as you get adjusted to one another, mararanasan nyo ang ups and downs. At soon, marirealize nyo na marriage is not all bed of roses. Magkakaroon kayo ng tampuhan, inisan, pikunan, and the like. Pero dyan ang gagawin nyo, don't let pride rule over. Learn to communicate, to listen to one another, to forgive, and to forget. Pero most of all, let God be the center of your relationship and nothing will go wrong. Again, cheers to a lifetime of love and happiness. Congratulations in finding your forever love.
As you enter this new season, may your heart remain full, your home be filled with peace, and your marriage grow with grace, laughter, and unshakable love. May this next chapter be your most beautiful one yet. Congratulations, future bride. We celebrate you today and always.